Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about how to create a CSQ, which is contact service queue. Contact service queue in contact center express environment in Cisco call center environment is a place which holds the call in queue for the callers. So the callers will dial in and select their corresponding options given in the IVR in the auto attendant, and once they select the option based on uh, their input, uh, a contact service queue is assigned. For example, we have got different departments like HR, finance, administration, or technical support, or others. You can have many departments, and based on the department, you want your calls to be distributed. So for each department, you'll have to create a contact service queue. So let's create a new contact service queue, and we will name it technical support CSQ. So it's always a good habit to add CSQ in the end, so to have it clear. And so it's the type of contact service queue by default is voice. The criteria is first in, first out. So the caller who dialed in first will be attempted for an agent first. So first in and first out. Automatic wrap up is basically meant for the agents. Once the call is hung up by the agent will be put into a wrap up mode, which will allow them certain time to wrap up their work. That sometimes what happens is that the agents capture a lot of details like order number or any callback number, or any notes that they had during the conversation with the customer. So they need certain time to put that into the system, so they could have 30 to 60 seconds, whatever number suits to your environment for the customer. So for now, we'll keep it disabled, and we'll go and we'll see. We'll talk about the next, option in the CSQ, resource pool selection mode. So over here, you have got two mechanism for the calls to be distributed, calls to be attempted for an agent. One is based on resource skills, and the another is based on resource group. So resource skills we already talked about. We created one, and if that's the selection mechanism for the call to be distributed based on the skill, the call will be distributed to the agent, whoever is available. Uh, Service level and service level percentage is for how many calls came to this queue, and how many calls were answered. So let's keep it on default, and let's go next. And based on the option we selected, which is resource skills, it is going to ask which skill that we want for this CSQ. Since we have created it for technical support department, let's add technical support skill. And the moment we select technical support, we get a get an option here, minimum competency level. So the competency that we define here will allow us to have the selected agents. So if an agent has got the competency level of 3 assigned to him or her, and on CSQ level we have got minimum competency level as 5, that agent will not be selected. Having said that, if an agent has got a competency level of 10, uh, while the minimum competency level on CSQ level is set to 5, the agent will be selected. So let's have it with a number which is, which makes sure that all the agents with technical support skill has got, they have it. So let's add with technical support minimum competency level 3 and click on add. So good job. Here we have got technical support CSQ created. Once we click on that, we can click here on this open printable report for this CSQ configuration, and we can find out what all agents are qualified for this particular CSQ. So if any customer chooses technical support CSQ, these will be the agent, because these all agents has got that skill assigned to them. So we can discuss about CSQs in future chapters as well. However, I just wanted to show you a script. For example, you see that this is a script, and the customer chooses an option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any one of them, and based on that, the resource is selected according to the CSQ target, which is mentioned here in the script under select resource option. So STR IT tier 1, and if we see what is there under STR IT tier 1, it says IT tier 1, which is basically the name of the CSQ. So once the agent is available into IT tier 1 or IT tier 2 or any of the CSQ based on the customer input, the call will be directed to him. So we're going to talk about the script later on, but I just wanted to give you, an, a fair understanding of how CSQ really works on scripting part of it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.